I welcome you all in today's English revision class, and we are going to revise the chapter from the diary of Anne Frank, and we are going to revise short answer type question. Question number 1. Describe Anne's feeling about having a diary. Anne feels it is silly for 13-year-old teenager to have a diary, as it would seem she has many friends and other people to talk to. But in reality, she states she feels lonely in the world. She wishes her diary to become her friend. So, dear children, here two value words are there, meaning very important thing. Number 1, 13 years old girl, and number 2, feels lonely. Because of that, she started writing diaries. Question number 2. Why does Anne Frank think that paper has more patience than people? This is very important question, my dear children. And believes that paper has more patience than people because it listens to her more patiently and silently. It does not react like other people, and also because she can confine in her diary all her secrets. So, three important value points you are deriving from here. Number 1, it listens more patiently. Number 2, it does not react like other people. Number 3, she can confide. Why I am telling you these are the value points? Because, dear children, you cannot cram everything. But if you will keep these value points in your mind, then this question comes, these value points quickly click to you, and it will be easy for you to write your answer. Question number 3. What does Anne Frank tell about her family in her diary? Anne Frank tells that she has very lovely and caring family. Her parents, so here value words I am underlining, lovely and caring family. One first value point. Her parents and her elder sister love her a lot. There are about 30 people nearby her whom she can call friends. She has loving aunts and a good home, but she wants to have a true friend with whom she can share her feelings and thought. So again, 30 people near her home, and but she wants to have a true friend. So these are the value point of this question's answer. Question number 4. Describe your views about Mr. Keesing as a teacher. Mr. Keesing seems to be a strict teacher. So here, strict teacher. But he actually believes taking action with good intention, and for the development of children. He tries to control her bad habit of talking too much, but as soon as he is convinced that her habit does not affect her studies, he overlooks her shortcoming. He is convinced. Question number 5. What does Anne write in her first essay to support her habit of talking so much? Anne Frank supports her nettle by stating that talking is a student's trait, value point, and she will try to control it. But she also says that she has got it from her mother, and such inherited traits cannot be cured. Mother, such inherited, and cannot be cured. It should be cured, cured. Actually, it is curved. It cannot be curved is also correct. Curved or cured, anything you can write down. Question number 6. What was Mr. Keesing's reaction after reading Anne's poem on the third essay that he had given to her to write? When Mr. Keesing read Anne's poem on the third essay that he had given her to write, he took the joke the right way. He understood the intention of Anne and felt it is good humor. After that, he allowed her to talk and did not punish her by assigning her extra work. So here value points are: he took the joke in the right way, good humor, he did not punish. These are the value points for this question. Question number 7. Why was Anne's entire class anxious and nervous? Anne's class was anxious and nervous about the result. It was yet to be decided who would be promoted to the higher class or who would not, because many deserved. Now the value points are about the result. They were worried about the result, who would be promoted for the higher class. Question number 8. Describe Anne's love for her grandmother. When Anne's grandmother died, she stated that no one could understand her intensity of her love for her grandma. So her intensity of love could not understand grandma. She also said that no one could imagine how much she thought of her. How much she thought of her. Lighting up extra candle for her during her birthday showed her love for her grandma. So these underline areas are the value points. If you are forgetting other thing, if you will forget, then there is no issue. You may write the answer by learning the value points properly. Now question number 9. Describe about Anne Frank's early education. Anne Frank got her early education at the Montessori Nursery School until she was 6. She started in the first form and in the sixth form. She had developed such a good relation with her headmistress, Mrs. Coopercus, that both of them were in tears on the farewell. So here, Montessori Nursery School and good relation with her headmistress. These are the value point. So dear children, I hope all these 9 questions you will prepare well for your this lesson's preparation. Thank you everyone.